Hi there, wig lover. This is Heather from CysterWigs.com, and this is a short and sweet color spotlight. The root on here is a medium golden brown, so it's number 8. This color was inspired by the Lilac Frost by Hairdo, except I wanted the root to be ever so slightly softer and a little longer. And I also wanted the color to look more natural up close. So with the Lilac Frost by Hairdo, you're going to get really bright sort of Barney purple that is blended with a gray. And in my color, get a little bit of gray blended with a color that is already a lilac color. So it makes it look really pretty, and it definitely makes it look like a dyed color up close, whereas the Lilac Frost is beautiful in pictures, but when you get up close to it, definitely looks more like a wig color. Really luscious here. It's pretty cool. I also designed the colors, so I hope you like them. Make sure you let me know in the comments. I definitely pay attention to what folks say in the comment section here, and my husband is very active in helping me with that too. We are on Patreon, and we do have some wonderful patrons there who have helped me improve the content of my channel. So I've invested in a better camera, and while times are a little lean right now due to coronavirus, and I no longer have a video editor, my hope is even with me editing the content myself, I can still make some improvements just by virtue of upgrading the visual quality of what we're doing here. So thank you, patrons, for giving me access to that kind of equipment, even in a really rough economic time. I appreciate you. It is definitely appreciated. Have a great afternoon, everybody, and I look forward to talking to you again next time. Bye-bye.